Hey guys, I accidentally cut it off a bit. Sorry, but here's the brain. Again, Rex still here. Now we're gone. Come here, boy. Come here. Oh, who's a good little dog? You like the treats. Okay, yeah, I don't know if he's there. Oh, hell no, but you can see it. Nah, bro, I literally saw a photo. Ah, hell no. Getting wet in here. Ah, hell nah, bro. What the hell? I hope I don't get a warning about flood or anything. I hope. Hey, Dad. It's super windy. I saw a big lightning.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of it.
Okay, bye guys. See you later.